Whoa, I look like crap in the morning. So today, me and Nelly are going to Angeles! Woo! Nelly, wake! Wake, Nelly! So many decisions to make. That's the one. Hey! You ready? Yes. Go. Bos. Sige Pak. Wow. Good morning. Nandito kami sa taxi!
Oh, going to Cubao.
Going to Angeles po.
At diretso na tayo, Angeles?
Pa, joke.
Sandali lang.
Magkano pa yun kuya pag diretso sa Angeles?
Ang singilan namin doon, 3,000 eh.
Ay.
Ilabas na lang.
Sige, labas na lang. So dahil sa traffic na to, baka bukas pa tayo makakarating. Wow, social. These chairs recline. Woo! Social tayo dito, Nele. We're in Tarlac. Buti na lang hindi ako Amerikano, no? Do you know how to say male in Tagalog? Tingnan nyo. Pag babae, ano kaya? Ayan! So nandito na kami sa kotse ni Felix Manalo. So saan tayo pupunta ngayon, Radventures?
We're gonna head up sa Kart City.
Kart City, dito sa Tarlac.
Gonna go
Kart! Ayan! Nandito na kami! Woo! Dito kami sa Kart City.
Okay.
So this will be the third time that I've ever been on go-karts, but the first time that I've ever ridden a go-kart dito sa Pilipinas. We have decided that we are going to wear these sexy jumpsuits.
Ang init!
Oh my. Parang meron kang wedgie.
Kasya ba to? Alright! We're ready to rock and roll!
Yeah, that was freaking awesome.
It was awesome.
Punta kayo dito sa Tarlac. It's more fun in the Philippines.
It's fun, man. It's amazing.
Ah, dance music. Dance music.
Hey, nailed it.